Hello everyone, this is Ahadia Khan and today I'm coming here to share some amazing tips for students who are in boards or in any other classes. As a student, you have to manage so many tasks like school time, coaching time and playing time. Yes, even you are in boards or in any other classes, I would recommend you for play also. Yes, you have listened correct. Even you are in boards, you could play. You could include any physical game in your timetable besides your studies. So, how to deal with this board exam smartly to secure 100% marks without getting any kind of stress, tension or depression. So, let's move towards our first tips. Tips 1. Count your subjects and make a major timetable. What does this major timetable means? It means that divide days, not hours. It is very difficult that you make timetable according to hours. For example, at 5:30 you will go to washroom and at 6:10 you will eat food and then study for 1 hour. I will not hurt anyone if they like hours timetable, but I would prefer for you, please divide your days according to your subjects. For example, in CBSE class 10, there are 5 subjects. So divide your days like this. You could change it according to your convenience. Tips 2. Divide your subject in groups. For example, you could divide science into biology, physics and chemistry. Suppose you have 15 chapters in your science book. So you would divide those chapters according to your topics and study accordingly. Tips 3. Always test your learning. Whatever the chapters, unit you are learning or you have done, do as much as questions on that particular chapter or unit. It will boost your confidence in a magnificent way. Tips 4. First complete one course book. I found this thing in most of the students that they purchase 4 or 5 books on a same topic and try to complete all books in a same time. First complete one book, then take another book and then correlate the information of previous book with second book. Tips 5. Do your best without any stress. It is an outstanding technique for everyone in all kind of situations. And for the exam, it is a spectacular way to success. Before few years back, when some students of class 9 had discussed their issues like mostly students are struggling with stress, that if they will not score 100% marks in class 10, what would the other people think? I was shocked to listen this. I would say to all the students as well as all of you who are listening to me, it is your life. So what do you think about yourself? It is the most important than anything else. Just do your best without any stress. What do the other people think for you? You should not have time for those people. Your vision should be clear for your goal and for your effort. At last, I would like to say that enjoy your today's learning with future earning. Be happy. All the best for your future.